Hi, I'm Mike from MGP Caliper Covers. We're going to do a quick install on the Toyota Tacoma. And it's a front only. The rear is a drum. But there's a couple things to watch for with the Toyota Tacoma. So when you put on the clip, it's a top loader clip. I like to hook it in one side first and put it in the second side, just like that. And this stop has to stop against the inside right here. So you slide it up and it stops. Now the gap between the round bar here and the casting is really tight. So like you'll see, this one, it's really hard to get off. If you have to fit it in here, you can trim back a little bit of material right here so that it fits a little bit easier. This one's already been trimmed to give it a little more clearance, but just a little bit right there helps get it in place. And then push this down over the next bar and snap that into place, and that should stop right there. And then it's simple. You just put the cover on the top and then push it down and it'll snap into place. Lock down your two nuts here and you're good to go.